why I don't make keycaps for laptops. So this is the frequently most asked question since I started my small business, and today I will answer 3 reasons why. First, size matters. There is little to no room to paint for laptop keys, compared to chunky mechanical keyboard keycaps, so squishing all these details onto a tiny key just wouldn't do them justice. Secondly, also due to the thin layout, laptop keys experience a lot of pressure when typing. Artisan keycaps, especially those made with resin, might not be able to withstand this pressure and could break easily. Lastly, laptops generate heat during use. This could damage the resin keycap or even the laptop itself.